Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Somakwabe, also known as Somake. So thank you for clicking and watching this video. Today I want to talk about investing. So it is very important that we consider investing as one of our multiple streams of income. COVID hit, people were left stranded, and that obviously had an impact on their financial goals, and there was no backup plan and so forth, which could end up in debts, and it's just a whole big mess. So I want to just take you guys through an overview of Easy Equity, just to show you the process of, you need to register, log in, and how to buy your first South African share. There will be plenty of other videos that will cover certain areas such as properties, demo accounts, and stuff. But today we are just getting you on board. We are making you secure the bag. I'm just giving you guys a startup. So let's go. Okay, so I already have an account. So for those that don't, you'd have to click on register and then complete all the necessary details that are required. And then once you're done with that, you can now go into the login page and you should be seeing this page in front of you. So you might have a bit more detail here where they ask you to complete a few more details again and submit documents. Once you've been approved, then yay, we are ready to invest. So now, what do we do next? So before we get to the investing part, you just need to understand that your Easy Equity ZAR refers to your South African companies, and your TFSA is your tax-free savings account. So this is for people that just want to earn interest on their money and it will not be taxed by SARS. You can also then go into the USD, which is your American companies, and you have Easy Properties ZAR, which I think was implemented last year. It's a really great platform as well. And then you have your demo and your demo in ZAR and your demo in USD. So just a tip quickly, you might feel uncomfortable with putting all your money in and not being sure where to invest. So you could start on your demos, right? So what I do is I started on the demo. I just got to play around and see how it works. After that, I started investing in the real account. And then I made sure that before I do that, I also just play around with the demos and see how the company is doing before I put in all my money in that company using the Easy Equity ZAR. Same with USDs. You can play around and then just see how it's going. Okay, so you will then go to your menu and you'll click under deposits. So this is where you're going to have to put in money. So currently I have R2.04. You probably might be on 00 if you are joining Easy Equities for the first time. So you can pay via EFT or credit card. And with your EFT, you have different banks that you can use. Okay, so you need to select the bank that you are with, right? Standard Bank, Nedbank, Capitec, a whole lot of them. Okay, and then there's the details of the bank. So just make sure that you fill in these details correctly to avoid losing your money, right, and getting it paid into the wrong account. And then make sure that you use your reference number so they know that it is you. Or you can use your credit where you put in the amount. Let's say you want to invest 500 and then you fill in your credit card details. And so just understand that this process could take about 48 hours. Okay, so for Capitec users, there is an easier way that has been implemented for us to put our funds, and that is through the app. Let me just quickly give you an overview of what I mean. I will show you how to do this. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a widget that has been put in place in order for us to transfer our funds. And this is how you do it. Okay, so now that you have put in the funds and you probably have 1,000 or whatever amount that you want to invest in. Okay, so you then gonna go to invest now. Okay, So under invest now, you have your different investment types. So you have equities, which is known as your shares. This is basically you taking a portion of the business. So if you're investing in ABSA or Netbank or Pick and Pay, you're buying a portion of that company. And then your ETFs is basically like a collection of multiples of shares clustered into one instrument. And then you have your ETNs, crypto, units, baskets, and bundles. I'm not really an expert in that, but you can click into these investment types and just see what it's all about. After that, you have your category tags, which is really nice because you get to go straight to the type of industry you want to invest in. Could be of beverages, your chemicals, electricity, food, retailers, whatever it is that you want. So just to show you, you could click on vehicles and parts, and you would see that there's Meta Investments and Motors, your banks, you know, your Capitec, First Rand and stuff. So with your top 40, this is basically the top 40 companies that are on this platform, which are recommended as one of the best to invest in, right? So let's say we decide we want to invest in beverages, right? So we see AB InBev is here. Then what you'll do is, okay, you will look at what's happening with the company. We have the shares, how they've been doing in the past month. Okay, so this obviously has to do with probably the lockdown and stuff, because it has been going down. You could also see it in the past 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, right? Then on this side, on your right, you have your selling at, your buying at, and your last price. So you would focus more on the last price, right? Okay. And what happens is you need to just understand that, okay, your last price is the amount of share, how much it was exchanged at. And then your selling price is how much someone is willing to buy it at, right? And then your buying prices is how much someone is willing to sell it at. So usually your ask price is higher than your selling price because you want to obviously make profit. Okay, so then you will now go here where you get to select the number of shares that you want to buy. So remember, you have deposited the amount and you have the amount that you have here, and that's the amount that you are limited to when buying your shares. So the amazing thing about Easy Equities is that you don't have to buy a full share. You can buy a fractional share, which means that you can buy a portion of a single share. So as you see here, your share is about 1,010. And let's say I don't have the 1,010, then obviously I can put in 500. And that means I would be buying 0.494 shares of that one. So just to give you an idea of what I mean. So if I typed, the exact price that they want, that means I'd be buying almost one share, right? This would be one share. So if you have to buy 2 shares, obviously that would be double the amount and stuff. Then you'd obviously submit, and you will get a certificate telling you that you have now bought your shares. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. I will dive into things such as your easy properties, playing around with your demos and tax-free accounts in the videos to come. Thank you.